What is the full form of NPI in banking in India? State-owned central banks of India and Nepal on Thursday signed terms of reference for the integration of the Unified Payments Interface, UPI, and National Payments Interface, NPI. What is the full form of UPI NPI? Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and Nepal Rastra Bank, NRB, signed and exchanged terms of reference, TOR, to integrate fast payment systems of India and Nepal through the Unified Payments Interface, UPI, of India and National Payments Interface, NPI, of Nepal, respectively. What is the National Payment Interface? National Payments Interface, NPI, is the Consolidated Application Programming Interfaces, APIs, of multiple payment systems hosted by NCHL, Nepal Clearinghouse Limited. NCHL is a public limited company established on 23 December 2008 under the leadership and guidance of Nepal Rastra Bank, the Central Bank of Nepal, or any other institutions built in an open API platform concept. Why is UPI not in the USA? Card companies like these are perhaps the main reason why the country can't have a system like UPI. Lobbying in the US is legal and they often lobby against any practices that might impact their revenue. Is UPI only in India? To make UPI payments outside India, one needs to enable international payments on the respective apps. For example, if you are using UPI via the PhonePe app, the same has to be enabled on the platform from the settings menu. Once enabled, one will be able to make UPI payments with ease in international locations. Who regulates UPI in India? The Reserve Bank of India, RBI. The Unified Payments Interface, UPI, is a smartphone application for banking in India. The interface is regulated by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, India's central bank. Can Americans use UPI in India? Yes, as per a circular issued by the National Payments Corporation in India, NPCI, on 10 January 2023, NRIs having NRE/NRO bank accounts in Indian banks can utilize UPI payment apps to send and receive money in India. Can I send money from India to the USA using UPI? No, currently UPI, Unified Payment Interface, is a payment system that is limited to transactions within India only. It is designed to facilitate instant fund transfer between bank accounts in India through a mobile device. What is the equivalent of UPI in the US? FedNow, NPCI, is said to be collaborating with Indian banks familiar with the Unified Payments Interface, UPI, and foreign banks to develop models and conduct pilot tests. Additionally, NPCI is engaging with FedNow, the real-time payment service launched by the US Federal Reserve in July last year, or its UPI equivalent. ONPASSIVE'S CEO Mr. MUFAREH said this about NPI and India. No hurdles with other countries, NPI. It is just a process to complete, and for India it's just about ready. It's a very sophisticated process, but everything is moving fine. Go to onpassive.com to register for 3 free massive digital products and receive a 14-day free trial of OConnect.